Hey everybody, welcome back to Trades and Gains. This is your host Max Pitts, and today we're going to go over one of my favorite tools, Market Tide from Unusual Whales. Now, what is Market Tide? It gives us a view of the net premiums flowing into calls and puts for a particular ticker, like SPY here. Essentially, it's a way to see whether traders are more bullish or bearish based on where they're putting their money. And this is, for reference, what this page is going to look like, but don't worry, we're going to break down each section to make this very easy to read. So to kick things off, we have now, if we were going to break down this chart, the yellow line is going to be representative of the price. The red line is the net put premium, which shows the money going into put options, and the green line is going to be our net call premium, showing the money flowing into call options. So as you can see here, the red line was rising. This means that the market was overall bearish on SPY today. And the way we can get confirmation of that as well is if we look around here at about 2:30, the SPY put premium spiked while the SPY call premium remained relatively flat throughout the trading day. This suggests that traders were expecting for SPY to continue to drop throughout our session today. Now, another thing we can do is use net premium by expiry and strike. So one thing that really helps is when you're looking at top tickers by net premium, you can essentially look at what is the most spent net premium. So as we can see here, it's SPY, IWM, BIIB, and we can see how it's competing and comparing to others. But if we want to see someone who's leading in net calls, we can filter here. And then we can see QQQ was leading us for net call flow today. And then same thing with puts. For net puts, it looks like Tesla was leading the pack with 26 million. Now, the last thing here is sector flow. So Market Tide will also allow you to see which sectors and tickers have the most premiums flowing under. So with this sector flow, we could see here that utilities and energy had the most bullish sentiment, while technology and real estate were more on the bearish side here. And finally, we have market seasonality. It's a cool feature that shows historical average returns by month for different tickers and sectors. For instance, we can see that November is historically a very green month for SPY, which we can see here by the graph. We can also see it's green for IWM, QQQ, and a lot of our utilities and sectors down here as well. So this is one great tool to use to see if you have a bearish or bullish sentiment heading into that month. And you can also filter this from average return, median return, and the amount of green closes. So pretty cool here. But to sum it up, basically, red line here is a more bearish sentiment with puts. A green line rising is going to be more bullish sentiment with calls. We want to check net premium by expiry and strike to find potential support or resistance. Sector flow and top tickers give you the money is moving, and use market seasonality for historical trends. But we are not going to only rely on that to make our decisions, right? So that's how you use Market Tide to read market sentiment. If you found this video helpful, please go ahead, drop us a follow, like the video, do whatever you want to do. But I will see you guys in the next one, and comment down below some other features that you would like to see broken down.